In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add first name and last name on chess.com. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off open up a web browser and then go to chess.com, and after that sign into your account. Once you signed into your account, click right here where it says settings to go to settings, and that's where at profile section we can easily find first name and last name. By default, both of these fields are blank, so we can fill them out. Just enter your name and first name and last name. Once you've done with that, to save the changes, click at Save. After that, if anyone opens up your profile at chess.com, they will be able to see your first name and last name.